Hey guys, in this video we're going to remove a tub and surround and then install concrete backer board, waterproof it for a tile shower. So we're just cutting this out using an oscillating tool. As you can see, we've got this cut. We'll pull it out, we'll cut along the bottom there, cut up that corner, take it out. 4 pieces total. Got our stuff disconnected here. This one, the tub nut would not come out, so we had to just cut the tub. Yeah.
I hope something goes terribly wrong. That is how you pull out a section of tub. Very nice.
2 to go. Let's see.
And when you cut the tub just fell. So you're just held up by those 2 nails.
Oh, we have another couple nails in here.
Pretty easy though.
Easy enough once you just cut it right out.
Yeah.
This side is the important side. There's the plumbing, so we're gonna make sure we can detach all this plumbing. Some silicone in.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Cameraman slash helper.
Slash knew what tool he needed before he did. And it's just as easy as that.
There's that.
That's good. It's very good. And then, as most of you are probably saying right now, I can't believe they've actually done this.
Okay.
There's
We're
your.
gonna get a new valve on here. Just kind of freshen up that, and then we'll install concrete board and get that waterproofed.
Older way of doing things there.
Set the new tub.
Joe's chilling through the wall.
Alright, let's see. Look at this drain now. Make sure this is not caught. Underneath there, we go. She's loose.
There's leaves underneath the tub.
Oh, that's wood shavings.
Oh, looks like leaves.
From when they drilled out the water pipes. I mean, when they built it, they just...
Can we delete that part of the video?
Not leaving it in there.
No, those are definitely leaves, guys.
You want to make sure you wear gloves.
Yeah.
See, I'm not, because I just got a fiberglass sliver.
Yeah, those are nasty.
They
You
are
don't want to
nasty.
get those in your hands.
So, be careful when handling a fiberglass sprayed tub. This is interesting. Looks like I got all sorts of messed up.
Well, at least we'll be able to take that out pretty easy for the plumbing.
We'll put a new one of these on here.
Just like we did last time.
So now, maybe
There's that disconnect right underneath.
we gotta, yeah, I guess we might as well just take the whole thing off. Huh?
Yep.
Take this out. And so there is a P-trap down there where that thing fell. So now we set the tub. We just put some spray foam down, a couple cans sprayed down where the tub's going to sit, shimmed it up, and screwed it to the studs, making sure it's level. The line's capped off, and the tub is set. Now we're going to install our concrete board. With the concrete board installed and our niches cut out, we're just going to tape the seams with fiber tape and then go over all the seams and the little gap on the bottom with thin set mortar.
Using a thin set mortar to fill this channel. Being kind of careful to keep it clean, but it'll clean right off of that tub. So don't worry too much about it.
After all the mortar is in and the channel is filled, we let it dry overnight, and then we can install or apply our water.
What you got going on here, sir?
Just applying our hydra-flex waterproofing compound here. We got the joints and all the seams taped and mortared here. Now we just need to apply one coat of waterproofing to the major area, and then we'll do a second coat on the 4 foot or 3 foot and below area where most of the water is going to hit. Okay, we have the waterproofing membrane, single coat on all of our seams and up to the bottom of the niches there. We'll let that cure for 3 to 4 hours, and then we'll apply another coat on the bottom 2 feet, making sure to fill in all these little voids.
Ba-da-ba-bum-ba-dum.
We're going to mortar over this and then waterproof the mortar for our little niches.
It's beautiful consistency on that mortar. Whoever mixed that should get a raise. You're like, all right, and now you have to pay me $100 a day.
You said that, you're fired.
Nice thing about powder is if it freezes, it doesn't really have too big of an impact on it. That premix stuff is the worst.
Can affect the cure rate.
Right. Well, that's why you bring it inside and let it get up to room temp. Saying that, we have it out in the garage.
This garage is a room, isn't it?
Yeah? It's probably good enough, huh?
Alright,
Yeah.
here it is after we got it all tiled. If you like this video, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more videos, and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you'd like to see us tile a shower, you can check out our other videos on how to tile a shower. And until the next one, see ya.